Hello, beta. Good evening, everyone. Beta, today I want to make a very important announcement. All the students who are aiming Indian Economic Service this year, or who will be sitting in the future, Arthapoint is going ahead and bringing a very, very, very important workshop for all of you. And that is on the answer writing session. बच्चे बहुत बारी क्या होता है ना कि वी नो द टॉपिक वेरी वेल. बहुत बारी ऐसा होता है. हाँ, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आस्क मी, मैम write an answer on the deadweight loss caused in a monopoly, or explain in your words why the consumer surplus is maximum for perfect competition, right? Or maybe just a numerical that is given to you, right? You may know the answer very well. आपको बहुत अच्छे से आंसर आता होगा. But problem arises when you have to write that answer in the word limit that has been given to you. Or the problem arises when you have to think whether I should be using the word justify. उसमें क्या लिखना है? When the word is examine, उसमें क्या लिखना है? When the word is something else, उसमें क्या लिखना है? Elaborate, उसमें क्या लिखना है? So for the same statement that is given to me, as they will use the word examine, justify, etc., how will your answer change? That is something also that we need to go ahead and we need to understand. So who better than understanding from the person who himself is an IES, right? So that is the reason, bache, that Arthapoint has come up with a workshop. The workshop is going to be with IES Yash. He is currently Assistant Director at NITI Aayog. And it is going to be a very, very insightful session. He is going to share all his insights with you. He will help you understand कि कैसे अच्छे answers हम IES और even IAS economics optional में भी आपको कैसे economics related अच्छे answers लिखने. हाँ बच्चे. Now, बच्चे, the registration for this workshop is already opened, and the workshop is going to be from 4:30 to 6 p.m. on 17th of Feb for all our students who have enrolled with us for the IES program or IAS economics optional. It is absolutely free of cost. But not only that, for the students who want to go ahead and attend this workshop, but they haven't joined any of the course of Arthapoint, then also, bache, it is free of cost for all of you. All that you have to do is you have to fill the enrollment form or the registration form for this workshop. Haan, bache, because we will be sending you the Zoom link now, where you can go ahead and attend the workshop and ask doubts to sir. So for that, it is very important that you go ahead and you go ahead and you register for this workshop so that you can get the Zoom link. वरना आपको फिर doubts पूछने को नहीं मिल पाएगा, right? So the registration for this is opened, and we will be sending the Google link, the enrollment link, right? It would be there in the comment section. We will be pinning that. तो उस पे आप जाकर you can register yourself, right, beta? I hope to see all of you on 17th Feb at 4:30 p.m. for this answer writing workshop. Okay, bache? Bye.